PLAST 2026, one of Europe's leading events for the plastics and rubber industry, has just concluded in Milan. This year, we welcomed visitors to our newly redesigned stand, where we presented the solutions we design and manufacture every day. We produce vertical packing machines, ranging from simple semi-automatic solutions to fully automatic systems. These machines form, fill and seal bags directly from a roll of film. Our systems can weigh and pack polymers, polyethylene, engineering plastics, fibrous materials, and small granules. The machine that attracted the most attention was undoubtedly the BG Mini Smart. It is a compact packing machine, entirely designed and manufactured in Italy by C.I.A. Italian packing machines. It is ideal for companies that need to produce small and medium-sized bags directly from a roll of film. One of its main strengths is its flexibility. The BG Mini Smart can be combined with different weighing and dosing systems, depending on the product and the customer's requirements. In its step-by-step configuration, it is particularly suitable for packing small kits, plastic components, and other small parts. Once again, we would like to thank everyone who visited us at PLAST 2026. To learn more, or to see how our machines can pack your products, visit our website at cisrl.it. You can also visit our regularly updated video channel at confesionatricide.it. C.I.A. Italian packing machines. Since 1986, we have been packing your products around the world.